What's up, guys? Today we're painting calipers on my white E46, and then I did a video on this car like 3 months ago, honestly. But it was basically when I had it like stock, like how I exactly bought it, and it was like a little review on like how I felt about the car and if like I would recommend. So I'm buying an E46, and it's a 330i, 6-speed. It's not a ZHP, sadly, but it has like ZHP packages and stuff like that. But I'll probably do a video about the car later on because I can't upload the other one. So back to what we're doing today. Okay, so back to the car and the video. What we're doing today is painting the calipers. I'm doing them blue. I did the E30 in red, but I think blue would kind of look better with this car. I wanted basically that new look the new ones have, which is basically like blue caliper and then it says M on it, but I don't think that's possible to put the M thing on this one. Like there's a sticker you could buy, but I feel like that will burn off. And I thought about painting M onto it with like silver or something, but I'm gonna see later on because I do think, I don't know if I can focus right there, it's really dirty, that like there's a hole and stuff. So I don't know if that's gonna be possible, but we'll see. So first thing you wanna do is obviously buy the caliper paint. I bought this from AutoZone. It's like 11 bucks or something. So caliper paint, you can choose whatever color you want. I bought one can. I did the E30 in one can, but it's up to you if you want to get one or two. So okay, so what you want to do is get some jack stands, get a jack to lift up the car. But before you even do that, make sure to loosen up the bolts on the wheels. So, you know, because once it's in the air, it's going to be hell to take them off. So grab the tool that's in the back of the car or get a 17mm to loosen them up just a little bit. So when you lift up the car, they're really easy to come out. What I do is I'm using, well, I have 2 extra ones, but I can't find the other red one. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift up the whole car so it's easier to just paint around everything instead of like lifting up the front, painting the front, and then lifting up the back, painting the back. So I'm doing that, but if you have less jack stands, then you could just do the front first and then the back. But for now, loosen up the bolts and then lift up the car. Okay, so after you lift up the car, I had a little issue right there. I couldn't find the other jack stand, so I just put another jack, but this one's up too, just in case one fails. Never want to take the risk. So what I did was lifted up the car. I washed the calipers, so you know, like make sure there's no dirt on them. So when you spray them, dirt doesn't like, you know, basically it's gonna mess up your paint if you paint them and there's dirt on them. Okay, so what you want to do now is get 4 trash bags, each one for one wheel, and then kind of rip through it like that, like this edges. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna wrap it around the brake and then the back part kind of to protect the caliper from getting, to protect the rotors from getting paint on them, and then the back part. So you're mainly trying to get the caliper. Alright, once you do that, you just kind of want to put it on just like that and then try to cover up most of the parts. Don't worry about the rotor getting some paint on it, because either way, like the brakes, like once you apply the brakes once, it's gonna like destroy it off. So you just kind of do it like that. Just make sure like whatever you're trying to paint is showing, and then whatever you're not, I'm gonna fix it up a little, but you get the point. So do that for all 4. And then you can start painting. Okay, what you want to do is go a light coat for the like first 2. Oh damn! For the first 2 coats, like try to go light, maybe like 2-3 sprays, and then after that go like a little bit thicker. But you could do that. I covered it, but some people, like for me, I try to go like really slow and like try to like not kind of spray all over. But if you're the type that just like sprays and you don't want to take a chance, you could even cover the like fenders or whatever, to like the bumper, the fender, the inside, just to like make sure you don't get paint around. I mean, the inside, like, it's already covered with dirt, so once you wash it, like, that's gonna come out. But if you want to get the fenders, that's all up to you. I try to like kind of go slow at it, so I don't really get anything. But first 2 coats, do them light, like 2-3 sprays, and then the third one go a little higher, and then wait 10 minutes in between each coat. Okay, this is the 3rd coat. The first 2 were kind of light. This one's like, it's kind of like a wet coat, and then I think I'm gonna do like probably 2 more, because I still want to get like those areas, and I won't spray too much trying to get on with 1 coat. So I'm gonna do 2 more maybe, and then we'll see how it looks, and then we'll go from there. One, I apologize for the quality. It's dark outside, so I'm trying to use flash, but after, so you know, like the quality's not as good, but sorry about that. And my camera's dead, so I can't use it, but this will do. So after you're done painting the calipers, and you do all the coats and everything, basically you take off the trash bag, and then you basically let it dry. Like after 1 hour, it's dry enough to like touch, but from what the can says, it's like leave it for 7 days. But come on, you're not gonna leave your car for 7 days and not drive it. So what I did with the E30 was I painted them during the day, and I didn't dry it for like 24 hours. So I'm probably gonna do the same with this one, and then like leave it for 24 hours. Like do your best not to drive it, because I think the better like it dries, like it'll be better, because like with brake dust and stuff, it might like stick on the paint or something might happen. So try your best not to drive it. Maybe borrow someone else's car for that day, you know, try to like just have them dry. So I did put the front wheel on, for example, like alright, so that's how the back looks like. I don't think it's blue right there, it looks blue in the camera, but it's not really blue. But that's how the back looks like. And this is the front. Also, the wheels kind of dirty, and the lighting isn't that good in the garage. But that's all for today's video. Remember, let it dry out for like 24 hours, and then you're good to drive it. But other than that, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Also, don't hate on the video. I know it's not the best quality job, but this is quickest, easiest, cheapest way to do it. Like, subscribe, new videos coming soon. Add me on Instagram at USstatics. Peace.